Welcome back to Fully Kicking Out. It's Eddie back with another video. 21-inch self-propelled. It has 6 pounds of torque. It's battery operated. Let's just get into it. Forget about it. I'll show you the specs. Here are the specs if you want to see them. All right, let's open the baby up. All right. Let's open this puppy. Oh, God. Dang, that's hard. Damn, look at all this. Holy crap. Okay. Where do I start? Oh, damn, this battery is heavy. Let's see. This is the 7.5 amp battery. Pull that to the side. So, this is for the bag. Put that to the side. Throw that away. Here are the manuals and warranty. Garbage. What's over here? Let me go inside. What's over here? All right. Damn, this thing is in here. What's up? Here's the charger. Damn, that's a big ass charger. It's a big charger. I like that it has the percentages. And it's fan cooled, if I'm not mistaken. That's a good question. This is for this is for side, so it could spit it out the side of the lawnmower. Let me go over here. Okay, let's see. Damn, this thing is pretty nice. Okay, what do we got? Oh, here's the bag. I will not be using this bag. Okay, so now there's a handle here so you can lift it up. What I like about this is you can store this standing up and not worry about gas leaking or anything else like that. So it's more compact. Oh. All right, let's slide that out of here. All right. Whoa. Here are some of the specs. This goes up. Look at how easy that is. Damn. Look how pretty. What's cool, you have locks here, and you can slide this up to make it taller for people like me. So now, here you go. You have the blade, lower and rising the blade. This is where the battery goes. Slides right in. The battery actually has an indicator of how much power. Here's another adjustment to adjust this up and down. It actually goes pretty low, but I think right there is pretty good. Man, I want to show you the control. Let me move this over here like this. So here are this is what you're going to be looking at. You have indicators, you have the light, turn it on, propel. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is speed, if I'm not mistaken. All right, let's push this to the side. You know what a lawnmower does. So what I'll do to store it is I'll unclip this two handles of these, unclip these locks, slide it down, lock it in place, and lock it in place, and lift this. And that's the whole package right there. Look how compact that is. That's pretty nice. And like I said, you have the handle. Let's look at the battery. Let me get the battery. Dang. So here's the battery. Like I said, this is the 7.5 amp. Has 25% charge, maybe even less. Decent amount of weight. Why? The reason I got these Ego is because, from my understanding, the batteries are interchangeable. So I can use this with a weed whacker, edger, blower. So what you do is make sure it's locked in place. Close this up, and you're good to go. So let's turn it on and see how loud it is. So that's the whole package. How would you start? Is you lift this up, hit this button, this lever here, lift it up till it locks in place. Unclip those locks, lock them back in place. Okay. So now let's see if I can maneuver this. So the instructions are right there. It says pull it out, pull this up, hit the power button, and then hit the throttle. Okay. There is no reverse, so don't even think about it. So let's see if we can turn on the blades. Pull this lever. That is it. How simple that is. So again, to store it, unclip, slide it down, lock it, hit the lever release, put it down so it clicks, and then it's good to go. This is where you attach the bag. That's it. Very simple. Remember to like, subscribe, and make any comments. Let me know what you think. Do you want me to give you my opinion on how it cuts? Maybe show you? And that's about it on this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I see all you beautiful people on the next one. Peace.